everybody, welcome to Appetizers for today. My name is Lee and this is my channel. Today we are going to be making loaded deviled eggs. Here are some of my ingredients. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients for the loaded deviled eggs. Here you have your mayonnaise, you have your sweet relish, you have your cheddar cheese, you have your mustard, you have your chives, you have your sour cream, and you have your bacon. Let's go. We also have salt and we have pepper. Okay, let's do it, guys. So now I'm going to show you how to cut your egg in half. You just cut it in half very gently, going down. And we're going to scoop out the yolk gently so we won't break the egg. There you go. There you go. Okay, so now we're going to add our ingredients. Okay guys, we are going to now add our mustard and our mayonnaise. And you could put as much as you would like. Some people like it like really creamy. Some people like it chunky. It's all up to you. We're going to add our sweet relish. We're going to add our bacon. Love bacon. We're going to add our chives. And we are going to mash this up with our fork, put the spoon aside. Okay, I'm going to add my salt and pepper. A little salt, a little black pepper for taste. And now, after you get your smooth consistency, you're going to put this in a Ziploc bag for piping. So you're going to have a scissors handy, and you're going to also have a Ziploc bag handy. Here's your Ziploc bag. Here's your scissors. Now we're going to place our mixture into the Ziploc bag using our spoon, and we're going to squeeze it into any corner of your choice and cut the edge off. I'll show you in a minute. Make sure all of your creamy nice eggs are at the bottom. You don't want to waste none of that good stuff. So now I'm going to cut the end. There you go. And I'm going to start to pipe. Let's see. There you go. Load it up. It is loaded deviled eggs. Nice. Okay. So now we are going to top our deviled eggs with a little cheddar cheese. I can't wait for you guys to try this. This is good, trust me. Load it up, a little Our little devil eggs loaded. Okay. And a little bacon on top. And a dollop of our solid sour cream. There you have it, guys. Loaded deviled eggs. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, this is our final product, loaded deviled eggs. I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Appetizers for today. Here's our glass of wine, which you can drink with your loaded devil's egg. Thank you. Bye-bye.